I'm sure you're wondering where I am. Well, I'm here attending an event organized by Cars and Coffee Bangalore, and this is a vlog of me photographing all these amazing tuned cars. What engine is this? Vintage. It's beautiful modded car. This is a old ST. It's lovely. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. To get a nice shot of this. You can see a Baleno there. It's got a wind splitter, it's got a splitter, and there's one Alto, nicely modified Alto. It's got a spoiler, you can see the spoiler. It's a maroon color Alto. Not like a lot of very heavily modified cars. Oh yeah, this was just driving back and stuck in traffic. Oh my god, this is just Bangalore, right? So this event, it was conducted in Nexus Mall, Whitefield, and it was conducted by Cars and Coffee anta ಒಂದು Instagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ they have a page, Cars and Coffee. So Cars and Coffee BLR Bangalore. So I think they organized this event. Pretty good number of cars, but then all local cars, no exotic cars. I think the only 3 or 4 cars were, one was a Golf GTI hatchback, which is recently launched, which has been recently launched, that car. And the other was so you can see another black Baleno, modified Baleno going in there, and that's the Alto modified Alto I was talking about. Yeah, so yeah, as I was saying, not a lot of exotic cars as such, but good number of such GTIs, sorry, not GTIs, Golf GT, Polos, and Swift, and we had a VRS. There was a nice white VRS. It was so cool, so clean, so well done. I think it was a sleeper build. It just looked like bone stock because there's no fluff to it. It was just clean, but yeah, it had a exhaust modified. It sounded incredible, so good. There it is. Did you hear the pop, the bang? I don't know if you heard it. In the tunnel, I think it was the Baleno. It was either the Baleno or the freaking Alto. And Alto has also been heavily modified. Really nice, very well done. You can see, trying to keep up with them. It's like not really trying to keep up with them, not going very fast, but just trying to keep them in the video so that I get some nice shots. Yeah, that's good. This one also has a wind splitter at the back. There is the Alto. I want to show you the Alto. The Alto is pretty sweet. I liked what is done with the tail lights. Oh, look at the Altros. Fuck yeah, Dragon Ball Z Altros. Ooh, Goku, let's go. This is Trunks, I think, because of the bluish hair, sky bluish hair. I think it's Trunks. I don't know. This is nice. Really good car. Look at this. Look at how it's done. Nice decals. Really well done. Dragon Ball Z fan. Oh yeah, I have a good clean shot of this car as well, because because its headlights are very interesting. They were amazing. Its headlights were really good, so I clicked a pic of its headlights. Really nice headlamps. This one, and there was a Golf GT. I think that's probably my best pick. I'll just put it up. Golf GT pick, I think. Oh my god, it looks sick. Looks so good. So good. He had like a projector with a red halo around it. It was so attractive, so nice. Alright, so I think they went behind. If they come forward again, or if I just lose them in traffic, that's it, I guess. If they come forward, I'll put some more clips. Okay.